Hey, bub. Psst. Hey, bub. You a gambler? You are? Well, you come to the right place. The name's Ofus Bamboozle. Welcome to the casino. So you want to win one of these, do ya? Good, because I'm going to be giving one away. 2, as a matter of fact. But you are on the list, right? Got a list of all the VIPs right here. 404 potential winners. It's going to be decided by the official dice of Farkle. Ready to play? What is up, guys? I hope you are ready to win some shift knobs. Before I get started, I just want to read a couple quick comments that kind of caught my eye in all of your entries. Declan McIntosh, and I'm probably going to mispronounce every single one of your names, I apologize. Declan says, I want to open up my own garage here in Scotland that specializes in restoring and modifying cars. I'm also looking to buy my own MX-5 soon. Well, good luck in your hunt. I always like to hear from people around the world. That's exciting to me. Nihal Farouk, correct me if I'm wrong on that one. I'd like to win the shift knob because I don't own a car, but knowing that I have the shift knob on my desk waiting to be put on my Miata when I get it will motivate me to work hard at work. That is a good goal. This one really caught my eye. Charles Graham. My goal is to become a military mechanic and help the troops keep those Humvees moving and not get stuck in the middle of a firefight because a car broke down. Also, I want to try to get a Miata. I currently own a 2012 Honda Fit Sport Package, but I always wanted a Miata because of Haggard Garage and you made me fall in love with them. Good luck to everyone in the contest and congrats on 10,000 subs. It's a big accomplishment. Hope to see you reach 50K quick. Thanks, Charles. Good luck to you too. I love it when my friends chime in. Miguel, my goal is to win a burrito, please. So let me tell you how this is going to work. I've got everyone that entered on Instagram and everyone that entered on YouTube. I'm going to do Instagram first. Basically, the first roll of the dice is going to decide which column I pick from. The next roll will decide what pair of people here in a row. And then you can see here, we get real detailed. The next roll is going to decide an actual winner. Same thing with YouTube, but it's actually a lot bigger on YouTube, so it's going to take a couple extra rolls to decide the winner. So let's get started with the Farkle cam. Alright, that's a 1. That means I'm going to be picking from that first column there. Down to Steve-O Orwig, and you never know what you'll find. So 1 through 3 is going to be Steve-O, and a 4 through 6 is going to be you never know what you'll find. That's a 3, so Steve-O Orwig, I hope you're watching. You just won yourself a Garage Star shift knob. Time for YouTube. 333 people. All 5s there. We got Carlier 99, Zach M, Tim C, Paul Harrington 94. That guy sounds suspicious. Tyler Henley, Julian Rada, Jesse Rosenfield, Stark, and Dominic Coco. Five again. Dominic Coco, since you were by yourself in that category, you just won yourself a shift knob. I will be messaging you shortly. Hopefully you're watching. So thanks for watching, guys. At 20,000, I'm going to be giving away something even bigger and badder, so stay tuned. Project Broken Boosted Episode 3, probably going to be coming out, I'm thinking Monday. It's going to be the boost gauge install and the custom gauge mount panel that people have been asking me about. And broken boosted leaks quite a bit of oil and coolant, so I'm going to be doing a timing belt maintenance, water pump, and front engine reseal on that car. Let me know in the comments if you guys want a video on how to do that at home. Until next time.